Hello, my name's Owain Gwynedd. I'm a presenter and a reporter, and over the past few years I've been fortunate enough to work on a variety of programmes, most recently here on the magazine programme Prynhawn Da and on the unforgettable Rugby World Cup. So here's a quick taste of what exactly I've been up to. Lawrence Dallaglio, many will know you as a World Cup winner back in 2003, but you were a World Cup winner a decade earlier. What's the story there? John Joe, we can start with yesterday, a scoreless draw away to Sunderland. A good point considering you were down to 10 men.
That's the best you can do!
Just Chris Hemsworth right beside you. Who would win an arm wrestle?
Oh, I would.
You would easily. With the Hulk?
Me? Yeah.
Chris Hemsworth, I'm trying to be a superhero for the day,
right.
But how does it feel to be an actual superhero and how does it feel to be Thor?
Pretty similar to what you're doing right now. You get to wear a costume which is probably pretty warm and uncomfortable.
Helo a chroeso cynnes I Prynhawn Da ar ddiwedd wythnos arall. So merched efo'r bagiau anferthol yma sy'n gallu cadw
popeth. Dal angen poced ar gyfer y glos, da.
Wel, ie, to me...
So you don't need to...
Yn y clwb Clecs fydd Branwen, Huw a Gweno. Dych ymlaen i gael eich barn chi nes ymlaen. Dwi'n cael Gwen mor bob ni Gwenar, achos ti'n gwybod yna fwyd ar y ffordd. A mae heddiw ma'n bach uwch na'r arfer, dwi'n meddwl. Richie McCaw, World Champion 2015, how does that sound? Pretty damn good. He's saturated in champagne in the middle of celebrations. How special a moment is this for you?
It's such a huge, huge moment of my life and career. To finish on such a high.
And what about Richie McCaw? Where do you go from here? Are we going to see you in a black shirt again?
I don't know. Like I've said, it's probably unlikely, but right at the moment, I just enjoy being the captain of this team.
Hello and welcome to Leckwith Athletic Stadium in Cardiff for this year's College Trophy final, where Cardiff and Vale College play host to city rivals Gower College Swansea. Cardiff are the undoubted favourites for this one, having not lost a single match during the course of the season. However, Swansea, who have been on a good end-of-season run, will be confident they can cause an upset. Time for some team news with our commentator. Here's Wyn Griffith. Sam Warburton, Brian Habana. And if being able to fly an aircraft doesn't show I'm adventurous and willing to go that extra mile.
Arsenal, he loves Arsenal.
Oh, okay.
Big Arsenal fan.
Yeah, he's laughing behind you.
Oh no, it was Tottenham, wasn't it?
Well, good morning in Welsh is bore da.
Bore da.
Then bore da, Prydain is good morning Britain.
Good.
Can you say it?
Can you say it again to me?
Good bore da.
I thought you were going to go. You're going to go. Good morning.
Yeah, I nearly did. Gary, Match of Day celebrated its 50th birthday this year. What makes Match of Day so special?
Well, I think it's a variety of different things.
I was wondering, I don't know, if you think about retiring, in the next few years, if they're looking for a Welshman, maybe named Owain to step into your shoes.
So you're not only coming to my studio, but you also try and nick my job.
No, when you're ready, not
Okay, when I'm ready.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
Johnny Peacock, world champion, Olympic champion, now European champion. You must be happy.
I can't complain.
Manon, we'll have to talk about the events of the last few weeks, you becoming world champion. Have you come back down to earth yet?
Just about. It has been a pretty crazy year.
There we go, an unexpected victory for Swansea as they somehow retain their trophy crown. That's all from me for now. Thank you for watching. Back to you in the studio.